Pururava. This chapter describes the sons of the eldest son of Pururava named Ayu. Okay. So here first Chhatravidha, his descendants, he was the son of Ayu, and then later descendants of Rabha, the sons of Ayu, and Anena, like that, Raji, all those things. Okay, a small chapter only. Okay. Ayu, the eldest son of Pururava, had 5 sons. This chapter describes the dynasties of 4 of them, beginning with Chhatravirdha. Ayu, the son of Pururava, had 5 sons: Nahush, Chhatravirdha, Raji, Rabha, and Anena. The son of Chhatravirdha was Suhotra, who had 3 sons named Kashya, Kusha, and Gritsmad. The son of Gritsmad was Shunak, and his son was Shaunak. The son of Kashya and Kashi. The son of Kashya was Kashi. From Kashi came the sons and grandsons known as Rashtra, Dirgatama, and that Dhanvantari, who was the inaugurator of medical science and was a Shaktavesha incarnation of the Supreme Personality of Godhead Vasudeva. The descendants of Dhanvantari were Ketuman, Bhimarath, Divodas, and Dyuman, who was also known as Pratradan, Satrujit, Vatsa, Ritadhvaj, and Kubla Yaswa. The son of Dyuman was Alarka. Okay. The son of Dyuman was Alarka, who regained over the kingdom for many years. Following the dynasty of Alarka were Santati, Sunitha, Niketan, Dharmaketu, Satyaketu, Dhrishtaketu, Sukumar, Vitihotra, Bharga, and Bhargabhumi. All of them belong to the dynasty of Kashi, the descendant of Chhatravirdha. The son of Rabha was Rabhas, and his son was Gambhira. Gambhira's son was Akriya, and from Akriya came Brahmavit. The son of Anena was Shuddha, and his son was Shuchi. The son of Shuchi was Chitrakrit, whose son was Shantraj. Raji had 500 sons, all of extraordinary strength. Raji was personally very powerful and was given the kingdom of heaven by Lord Indra. Later, after Raji's death, when the sons of Raji refused to return the kingdom to Indra, by Brihaspati's arrangement, they became unintelligent and Lord Indra conquered them. The grandson of Chhatravidha named Kusha gave birth to a son named Prati. From Prati came Sanjay, from Sanjay Jay, from Jay Krit, and from Krit Haryabal. The son of Haryabal was Sahadev, the son of Sahadev Hina, the son of Hina Jaisin, the son of Jaisin Sankriti, and the son of Sankriti Jay. So like that, this is the full chapter is about the dynasty of Maharaj Pururava's descendants. Okay. So now, Shloka text number 1 to 9, genealogical line of Pururava's sons, starting from Ayu and through Chhatravidha. Okay, so 9.17, 1, 2, 3. Sri Badrayani Ruvacha Yaha Pururavasaha Putra Ayustasya Bhavansutaha Nahusha Chhatravidhascha Rajirabhascha Viryavan Anena iti Rajendra Shrunu Chhatravirdho Anvayam Chhatravirdha Sutasyasam Suhutrosyatmajastryaha Kasyaha Kusho Gritsmada iti Gritsmadad Abhut Shunakaha Saunaka Yasya Bahavricho Pravaro Munihi. Sri Badrayani Vacha Sri Shukdev Goswami said, Yaha, one who Pururava Saha of Pururava Putraha, son Ayu, his name was Ayu, Tasya of him, Abhavan. There were Sutaha, sons Nahush, Shatruvdha cha and Shatruvdha Raji, Raji Rabha, Rabha cha, also Veeryavan, very powerful, Anena, Anena iti, thus Raja Indra, O Maharaj Parikshit, Srunu, just hear from me, Shatruvdha of Shatruvdha, Anvayam, the dynasty Shatruvdha of Shatruvdha Sutasya of the son Asan, there were Suhutrusya of Suhutro Atmaja sons. Triyaha, three Kashya, Kasya, Kushaha, Kusha, Gritsmadaha, Gritsmada iti, thus Gritsmadat, from Gritsmad Abhut, there was Sunakha, Sunak, Saunaka, Saunak, Yasya, of whom Sunaka, Bahu, Richo, Pravaraha, the best of those conversant with the Rig Veda, Munihi, a great saintly person. Shukdev Goswami said, from Pururava came a son named Ayu, whose very powerful son was Nahush, Shatruvdha, Raji, Rava, and Anina. Five sons. O Maharaj Parikshit, now hear about the dynasty of Shatruvdha. Shatruvdha's son was Suhotra, who had three sons named Kasya, Kusha, and Gritsmad. From Gritsmad came Shunaka, and from him came Shaunaka, the great saint, the best of those conversant with the Rig Veda. Okay. काशयस्य काशिस्तत्पुत्रो राष्ट्रो दीर्घतमः पिता धन्वन्तरिर्दीर्घतमस आयुर्वेद प्रवर्तकः यज्ञः भुग वासुदेवांसः स्मृतमात्रातिनाशनः. काशयस्य of Kasya, Kashihi, Kashi, Tatputraha, his son Rashtraha, Rashtra, Dirghatamaha Pitaha, he became the father of Dirghatama. Dhanvantari, Dhanvantari, Dirghatamasaha, from Dirghatama. Ayuhu, Veda Pravartakaha, the inaugurator of medical science. Ayurveda, Yagyabhuk, the enjoyer of the results of sacrifice. Vasudeva, Amsaha, incarnation of Lord Vasudeva. Smrita Matra, if he is remembered. Arti Nashanaha, it immediately vanquishes all kinds of disease. The son of Kasya was Kashi, and his son was Rashtra. The father of Dirghatama. Dirghatama had a son named Dhanvantari, who was the inaugurator of the medical science and an incarnation of Lord Vasudeva, the enjoyer of the results of sacrifice. One who remembers the name of Dhanvantari can be released from all disease. Wow. Tatputra Ketumanasya Jagge Bhimaratastataha Divo Daso Dyumamstasmad Patradan iti Smritaha. Tatputraha, his son, the son of Dhanvantari. Ketuman, Asya, his Jagge took birth. Bhimratha, a son named Bhimratha. Tataha, from him. Divodasa, a son named Divodas. Dyuman, Tasmat, from him. Pratradanaha, Pratradan iti, thus Smritaha known. The son of Dhanvantari was Ketuman, and his son was Bhimrat. The son of Bhimrat was Divodas, and the son of Divodas was Dyuman, also known as Pratradan. Saev Shatrujidvatsa Ritidhvaja iti ritaha. Saev Shatrujidvatsa Ritidhvaja iti ritaha. Tatha Kuvalayasveti Prokto Alarkadayastataha. Saha, that Dyuman, eva, indeed, Shatrujidvatsa Vatsa Ritidhvaja, Ritidhvaj iti, like that, iritaha, known, tatha, as well as Kuvalayasva or Kuvalayasva iti, thus Proktaha, well known, Alarkadya, Alark and other sons, tatha, from him. Dyuman was also known as Shatrujit, Vatsa, Ritidhvaj and Kuvalayasva. From him were born Alarka and other sons. Sashtim Varsa Sahasrani, Sashtim Varsa Satani cha, Nalarkad Aparo Rajan, Bubuje Medinim Yuva. Sashtim Varsa Sahasrani, Sashtim Varsa Satani cha, Nalarkad Aparo Rajan, Bubuje Medinim Yuva, Sashtim 60 versus Sahasrani, such thousands of years, Sashtim 60 versus Satani, hundreds of years, Cha also. Na, not Alarka, except for Alarka, Parha, anyone else, Rajan, O King, Parikshit Bhuje enjoyed Medini, the surface of the world, Yuva as a young man. Alarka, the son of Dhiman, regained over the earth for 66,000 years, my dear King Parikshit. No one other than him has reigned over the earth for so long as a young man. Okay, so this Alarka, the son of Dhiman, reigned over the earth for how many years? 66,000 years. It is the longest time reigned by any young man. Okay. Alarkat santtistasma sunito at niketanaha dharmaketu sutastasmat satyaketur ajayat. Alarkat, from Alarka santatihi is unknown as santati, tasmat from him, sunita atha from him, niketanaha is unnamed Niketan, dharmaketu Sutaha is son, Tasmat from him, Dharmaketu, Satyaketu, Ajayat was born. From Alarka came a son named Santati, and his son was Sunita. The son of Sunita was Niketan, the son of Niketan was Dharmaketu, and the son of Dharmaketu was Satyaketu. Drishtaketustasmat Sukumaraha Chitisvaraha वीति होत्रो अस्य भर्गोतो भार्ग भूमिर अभूनिर्प दृष्टकेतु तथा thereafter तस्मात् from दृष्टकेतु सुकुमारः is son named Sukumar, Chiti Ishwarah, the emperor of the entire world, Vitihotra is son named Vitihotra, Asya his son Bharga, Ada from him Bharga Bhumi, a son named Bhargabhumi, Abhut generated Nripa, O king. O King Parikshit, from Satyaketu came a son named Drishtaketu, and from Drishtaketu came Sukumara, the emperor of the entire world. From Sukumara came a son named Vitihotra, from Vitihotra Bharga, and from Bharga Bhargabhumi. Okay. So like that, this Pururava's son, whose that one son's dynasty was explained, starting from Ayu and through Chhatravridha. Okay, so Pururava's son Ayu's son Chhatravridha. Now Ayu's another son Rabha. So his dynasty will be explained from 10th shloka onwards, and then other putras. Okay, Hare Krishna. So that we can do tomorrow, and we will start Bhagavad Gita now. Okay, Hare Krishna. Thank you so much. Shri Baba ki jai. Yandra Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai. Gori Vaishnava ki jai.